Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on today's episode of The American Dream. I'm Ryan Schramm, and today I'm at Concordia Elementary School in beautiful San Clemente. I'm gonna go interview Principal Rob McCain. Follow me as we go ask him what makes his school so special.
So we're heading towards an area that I was telling you about that's used often as an outdoor learning area.
Okay.
Kids will go out there and do their book studies with different parent volunteers and do some small group work out there. And we call it Paleontology Park, but right now it's mostly used as that kind of outdoor learning center. And it's a real neat place where the kids can be outside of the classroom, which is always a benefit.
Yeah, it's fun to have the kids outside and learning, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So Principal McCain, the kids just popped out, went to recess. What room are we in now? Where are we at?
So this is our science lab. This is a real neat place where students get to come in here and apply the lessons that they learned in the classroom to a hands-on experience.
Okay.
So we have a science teacher that helps out with that piece of the puzzle. The teacher comes in here too, and the students get to work on applying the lessons they learned into real-life situations.
Okay, very cool. We'll take a look around. Thank you. So Principal McCain, we're right outside of the Maker's Room, which you've talked about so much. Can you tell us a little bit about it before we go inside?
Sure. This is one of the things we're most proud of here because it's an opportunity to give kids a chance to, again, do more hands-on work after their lessons in the classroom. And it's also available during recess for kids to just come in and be creative. You can even see just outside the door, those are little ramps that kids can make patterns and drop marbles on. They're learning about the laws of gravity and Newton's laws.
So the kids that are in here now are in there on their own time during recess?
Absolutely.
That's
yes,
cool.
They enjoy it very much, and we even have to put a limit on how many kids are going
No
there.
way.
Yeah.
Very cool. So Principal McCain, we're here in the library. One of the things that you mentioned to me is just how big of a collection you guys have here at Concordia. Can you tell us a little bit more about that, how that came to be?
This is definitely one of my favorite spaces on the campus where kids have an opportunity to hear stories and explore all the different genres in the library. One of the reasons it is such a large collection is we have a program that's called Celebration Books.
Okay.
And that's an opportunity for parents to purchase books, give it to their child in celebration. It could be of a birthday or a cool event.
Yeah.
Their kiddo gets their name on a placard inside the book. They get first chance at reading it, and then it goes into the collection where they can always come back to see their name.
What a neat program.
It is, and it definitely helps our library keep our collection very filled.
Great. So Principal McCain, one of the things I picked up on just as we were walking around, popping into classrooms, is how respectful the kids are. Can you tell us a little bit about your guys' culture and how you communicate that to the kids?
Sure, we're very proud of our culture at Concordia, and we teach them what our expectations are. And those are very simple. It's three things. It's be respectful, be responsible, and be kind. Those are the three virtues that we feel if all our students leave Concordia with, that they'll be prepared for the world and everything that comes at them.
It's simple but effective.
Absolutely.
Principal McCain, thank you so much for the tour of Concordia Elementary today. You've got a wonderful campus, wonderful kids. Thanks again.
Thanks, Ryan. It was my pleasure. I always love to be able to showcase what an awesome school Concordia is.
Yeah, you did a nice job of it.
Thank you.
And thank you all for joining us. I can't wait to see you on my next episode of The American Dream. Take care.